Happy 2025. I am so excited to see you. Yes, I'm so excited that it is a new season because 2024 tried to take your girl out. For those of you who know, I just graduated from seminary in 2024 and it was a lot. So I am excited about this new season for myself and for you and what it looks like. Based on when I came back from my little vacation, the comments that I've seen, a lot of you want to make a lot of money in 2025 and you are tired of waiting around and holding your great ideas back. You're tired of standing in your own way and not starting your t-shirt business or any business that you want to start. And so I am here to help you today. We're going to talk about why I still think that t-shirts is just the best side hustle in 2025, right? And how you're going to get started, make some money immediately, and have fun in the process, all right? Because it should be fun. Don't stress yourself out with this. Be grateful that we have the opportunity to start businesses for little to no money and that we have really great resources where you can sell the same t-shirts as the retailers. Like, you can make as much money as you want, never have to ship a shirt, and you're still selling quality t-shirts like Bella Canvas, okay? Which I have one in my hand because I went to my school and stole a shirt. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. All the stress that I went through, y'all gonna give me every single t-shirt y'all come out with. Every single one. And so when I went to proceed to go steal the shirt, I noticed, I said, oh, what is that? Does that say Bella Canvas? Does that say Bella Canvas? Now, y'all know I love me some Bella Canvas when it comes to girl plus guy. But yes, Bella Canvas is truly that girl. It's so soft. It's such good quality. And so you get to sell the same type of t-shirts that the retailers do. I feel like that's a win, okay? You get to make money and have good quality t-shirts. And yes, I love this shirt. As you can see, it's a little wrinkle right now. I wear it all the time. This is my chill shirt. This is my I need to represent how I feel shirt that we all have, whether it's our school, our city, our church, our community, our sorority, whatever that is. People love to represent who they are, what they believe, who they're attached to, and t-shirts are a great way to do that. And yes, yeah, I know I'm going to always recommend Bella Canvas as my #1 t-shirt recommendation. And as soon as I get done with this video, I'm gonna go put this on and I'm gonna go relax. Shout out to my school. Y'all stress me out, but it is done. So let's talk about 5 reasons why I think that this is why I still think that this is a great side hustle in 2025 and why you need to get started today. Because like I said, based on the comments, a lot of you have wanted to get started for years. You've been watching me for years. You've been watching other people for years and you haven't got started. And we're not doing that this year. We're not doing that, okay? We don't have time to play another year of you sitting around like, well, I want to do it, but I just don't know what to do. No, I'm telling you what to do. And I'm telling you that you can get started today for no money. And yes, you can sell great retail quality shirts and not have to spend any money up front and use Bella Canvas. All right, so let's get into it. You know, I got my notes because I'm trying to be as thorough as possible in 2025. So, #1, anybody can start. Okay, you don't have to be a creative genius. You don't have to be a business genius to have a t-shirt business. If it is something that you have been wanting to say and there is something that like everybody is saying around you and it's a catchy slogan in your city or something that you feel like people will resonate with. You know, Girl Plus God is simple. I did not come up with this design. I actually just bought this business from somebody else. But I would say that simple and eye-catching is definitely best in my opinion. And I feel like if there's something that you can resonate with that is viral right now, or that you're passionate about, like if I was coming up with something right now, it might be like, I love God and I love Detroit, right? A really good niche because you're going to have those specific people be like, oh my gosh, this shirt was for me. Right? So think about it. Anybody can see a viral design or see a viral slang, meme, TikTok, anything, put it on a t-shirt and make a bunch of money, which has happened over and over and over again. Those of you that know, you know, I had the shirt Wake, Pray, Slay. It was very, very trendy at the time. And I made a ton of money off of that because people were looking for Wake, Pray, Slay stuff. So they were like, I need that shirt. I had one. I created it directly on Teespring. Printed it. Well, they printed it for me. I didn't have to lift a finger, and I was just making money. Okay, so anybody can do this. So you got to stop playing and asking yourself, like, should I do this? I don't think I should do this. Everybody got one. Well, we don't have yours. Okay, so I need to see what you finna come up with for your cute t-shirt design. Okay, you don't have to be a t-shirt designer. You don't have to have a budget. You literally can just get started with a place like Teespring or on Printful or on Printify. They have AI tools that can help you design, or you can go on Canva. You can create a t-shirt for free. Like, there are so many options and ways that you can make money selling your t-shirts, and start now. I started my t-shirt business with no money, and I set my store up in like less than 30 minutes. And I was like, y'all go buy the shirts. Go buy the shirts. Just go buy them. Okay. I got the link. I put it in my bio, and I was like wearing the shirt every day, telling everybody go buy your shirts. Go start your t-shirt business. Okay. Number 2, I had to get the shirt off the ground. T-shirts never go out of style. There's always going to be a school. There's always going to be a city. There's always going to be a team. There's always going to be a holiday. There's always going to be something to represent. And t-shirts are a great way to do that. All right. So they're not going anywhere. It's not like it's like a boom and then it's going to be like, oh, don't do that anymore. T-shirts, they're not going anywhere. Okay. It's a big business. Yes, a lot of people have t-shirt businesses. Does that matter for you? No. You just got to be strategic when you start yours so that you know, like, who are my people? Who am I going to be talking to? How do I want them to feel? And I'm going to create a t-shirt for that. All right. Also, fun fact, the global custom t-shirt market is expected to hit billions, but billions in 2025. I don't know about you, but I'm trying to get a piece of the billions. Okay, I'm not worried about what somebody else is doing. I'm like, how do I get my billions, a piece of this billions, and my billions in 2025? Okay. Reason number 3 why I still think that t-shirts are one of the best side hustles, if not the best, in 2025, is that you can follow trends and profit fast. Okay. I had a goal of making $1,000 within 30 days. Set a goal for yourself. All right. I want to make this amount. This is how many t-shirts I got to sell to get there, and go. All right. If you need help trying to find something that will kind of go viral or attract people's attention, look at trending topics, look at memes, look at cultural movements. If you don't have TikTok, I don't know if they're going to be around, but if they still are, go on TikTok and see what is trending, okay? And look to see what people are wearing. And then go create it and jump on it. As long as it is not already trademarked, the phrase, or there is no copyright for it, find the trend. A lot of times, like with Wake, Pray, Slay, I tried to trademark it, but it was so trendy. It was like, why am I doing this? Everybody got a Wake, Pray, Slay shirt, and I still made a ton of money with my Wake, Pray, Slay shirt, even though other people had Wake, Pray, Slay, Wake, Pray, Play, Wake, Pray, Start the Day. Like, there were so many variations of it because it was so popular. Okay, so again, go on, like, they have Google Trends, look on Instagram, look on TikTok, find things that are viral, and if you can, tie something in viral to something that you're passionate about. And that is one of the best ways that you can go viral with your shirt, and where you can sell a lot of t-shirts very, very fast. Okay. Also, you know, we just talked about election shirts, holidays, those type of things. That is a great way for you to hurry up and sell your shirts. Valentine's Day is coming up. People love. Come up with a cute Valentine's Day shirt. Whatever. Like, there's always going to be a holiday. There's always going to be something to celebrate. Think about how to tie all those things in so that you can create some money fast based on your goal. All right. Even if you do limited edition, that is a great way to get people to hurry up and buy your shirt. For example, this was not the color design that we had when I was in school. I stole this shirt after I graduated. And when I seen this new colors, I was like, excuse me, I need that. So people love, even if it's the same design, they want a new color of it. There are people who have ordered 20 plus Girl Plus guides just because it was limited edition. People love to be the only ones to have stuff. They love certain colors, all of that. So think about fun ways that you can stand out. And again, use ChatGPT. Okay, we have these free resources. Use ChatGPT. Put your goal in there and say, how do I sell this amount of t-shirts in this amount of time? Okay, let ChatGPT should help you, please. All right, reason number 4, it's a low risk business model, okay? Very low barrier to entry. Like I said, I started with no money. I jumped on Teespring and I started making money immediately. So you don't have to have inventory. You don't have to have a lot of money up front, and you can start making money without having to put out a lot of money, all right? And then once you start making money, because I just did see a lot of your questions like, well, do I need an EIN to start? Do I need an LLC to start? No, you don't. I do have a whole t-shirt business video kind of walking you through that. The best way to start is to start. Just log on to Teespring, log on to Printify, log on to Printful, log on right now to a website and just get started. Start doing your research on TikTok and Instagram. Do something to get started, all right? 5th reason, or reason number 5, why I still think the t-shirts are one of the best side hustles, if not the best side hustle in 2025, is that if you already have a business or you already have something you're doing, you already say something all the time, you are known for something. I did a video about my mom and how she is a fitness instructor, and she always says something to her class when they leave, that you can easily put that on a shirt, and your built-in community, which is your family, your friends, people you're around, your church, your sorority, whatever, that they will be interested in buying from you because they are familiar with that phrase or that, that fun way that you say something. So t-shirts are a great way to promote a business, an existing business. T-shirts are a great way to promote your beliefs. They're a great way to promote how you feel. They're a great way to promote who you are. They're a great way to express yourself. For some people, it's like putting your testimony on a t-shirt. This is my testimony on a t-shirt, okay? Because the school tried to take me out. So this is my testimony on a t-shirt and the reason why I wear it all the time. Do you hear me? Okay? Because we always are going to want to represent what we believe, who we are, how we feel. And so t-shirts ain't going nowhere, y'all. So like I said, if you want to get in on $1 billion, then go ahead and get started, or restart if you started and you've given up. Like I said, when it comes to something like Girl Plus Guy, I love that it's simple. People love it. They connect with it, and so they go buy it immediately. So think about fun ways. Get on ChatGPT right now and get started. I want to know in the comments what you're going to do today to get your t-shirt business started. Shout out to Bella Canvas, and I'm finna go put my little shirt on and relax. And I love you guys. Leave me your questions and your comments, but let me know what you're going to do today to get your t-shirt business started. I will see you in the next video.